Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am, for the recording. Okay. So, guys, in the first session, we have completed the interview, how to prepare how to crack an interview. We have done with resume. We have done the points, verbal, non-verbal communication, right? And we have learned about what? We have learned about different types of communication under non-verbal. Okay. Now, just one sec. Let me see the portal. What to add? Yeah. Introversion. Today we'll start with another topic that is in. Let's play a game. I know it will be a little boring. So we will play Atlas. Okay. So
What is
everyone
that,
just
ma'am?
Ma'am, I
we'll
don't
play.
remember that
Arey,
thing.
I'll tell you. Like everyone, come on, open up the mic. Everyone, because it's a
Yes, ma'am.
passing game. Everyone means everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
all,
ma'am.
Yes,
all,
ma'am.
all. Okay. So the game is like that. See, किसकी आवाज गूंज रही है? मेरी गूंज रही है. हाँ. तो जैसे मानो मैंने स्टार्ट करा अटलांटिक, खत्म हुआ सी से. नाउ एनीवन विल स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग फ्रॉम सी. अ कंट्री नेम, एनीथिंग, कंट्री नेम, प्लेस, एनिमल, थिंग. ओके. सो कैन वी
Mm-hmm.
स्टार्ट?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम
Yes, ma'am.
वन थिंग आई विल टेल,
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah.
उसमें है
Yeah,
ना
बताओ.
कंट्री नेम और ये नेम तो नहीं आता, सिर्फ वर्ड्स बोल सकते हैं, वर्ड्स का मीनिंग बताना होता है, ऐसी है।
ऐसा है, बट यहाँ पर वर्ड्स नहीं बता नहीं पाएंगे, सब कंफ्यूज जाएंगे सर, तो उसको थोड़ा फन बनाते हैं. ठीक है.
ठीक है।
Okay, ma'am.
चलिए मैं सब सताक्षी. आई.
India.
ए.
एप्पल।
Australia.
ई.
Elephant.
England.
टी.
Tiger.
Tiger.
आर.
Roach.
Russia.
Roach.
Russia.
ई.
N. Nest.
हेलो. खेलो खेलो सब खेलो खेलो.
टर्मिनोलॉजी।
Europe.
Eagle.
आई,
England.
ईयर,
East.
Room.
Management.
Telephone.
Toy.
E.
Europe. Europe.
It's already done. Europe is done.
Europe is
Oh.
already done.
Egg.
इंजन,
Egg.
Egg.
Gone.
Guitar.
A. E.
R. Guitar.
Russia.
रोम,
Russia.
No. Road. Our road.
Diamond.
Duck.
रोज मैम,
Delhi.
Iran.
National.
लायन,
Netherlands.
Sri Lanka.
Sun.
Sri Lanka.
डेनमार्क,
वेरी गुड.
King.
केन्या,
ये क्या होता है किन्या?
अरे king
Australia.
it's G, right? No.
King.
It's G.
चल रहा है.
Gave.
किन्या क्या होता है? किन्या.
Cave.
And
E.
Encyclopedia.
No, for easy. Why, right?
white. Yes. Yellow.
यक,
Yellow.
Yellow. Warm.
King.
W-O-R-M.
Wall.
Mom. Mop.
वाटर,
Mop.
List. T.
Tablet.
Termination.
Tokyo.
Tokyo.
Orange.
Yes.
Yeah, orange.
ये कौन बोला
Yeah,
टर्मिनेशन?
orange.
कौन बोला? कौन बोला टर्मिनेशन?
मैं प्रज्ञा.
हाँ, आपका मैम पक्का है फिर आज.
Ma'am, the current word is orange.
ये देखो सही, Nicole ma'am is right.
Yes, yes.
Everyone is going with their own words. E F G H.
कहाँ गया लास्ट वर्ड?
Orange, orange. Last word is orange.
East.
E. Excited.
Run.
T.
Huh?
टेडी.
Yak.
Yellow. Yellow.
Yellow is
कोलकाता.
done, sir. Yellow is done, sir.
What are we
Yak.
teaching?
Yes, sir. Yellow.
कोलकाता. कोलकाता.
Kolkata. America.
Almond. America is also done.
ऑस्ट्रेलिया. ऑस्ट्रेलिया इज
Australia
ऑल्सो
also
डन.
done.
Africa.
Andhra
Africa.
Pradesh.
Africa.
Andhra Pradesh.
Himachal
कोई
Pradesh.
Pradesh.
अरेबिया.
Himachal Pradesh. No, no, it's H. Himachal Pradesh.
मैम
Haryana.
मैंने अभी क्या कौन क्या बोल रही है?
Horse.
हॉर्स.
England.
Denmark.
Over Denmark over.
D for Diksha.
Well, you say one by one.
Korea.
Africa. Africa, Africa.
Ant.
Over Africa.
Ant.
Okay, so guys,
And-
mute yourself. Mute yourself, everyone. Mute yourself. Come on, everyone. It's not a fish market. Come on. Hanji, Nicole, ma'am, tell what to do, ma'am. Tell me the research solution to it.
Ma'am, I think if we follow the participant list in the same order, so that everyone will get a chance, ma'am.
Because they are making fish market.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, one by one. Start with A. No one A.
Ant.
Arey,
No,
ruk jao.
ma'am. Diksha, ma'am is starting first.
Okay, Diksha, ma'am.
Satakshi ma'am, please
yes.
call our names one by one.
Okay, Diksha, ma'am.
So, ma'am, should I take any word?
Yeah.
Okay. So, England.
D. Jyoti Mai, ma'am.
हॉर्स.
Arey. Ma'am, England. D.
और
H. Ha.
ये
The.
मुझे सुनाई दिया इंग्लिश. इंग्लिश मैम सुनाई दिया.
No. England.
इंग्लैंड.
The.
डॉग.
Duck. Okay, next. Come on, one by one, guys. Just say by yourself your name.
Kangaroo.
Orange.
Octopus.
ऑरेंज. ऑक्टोपस क्या है?
सही बात है.
Sir,
क्या बोल
that's
रहे हो?
E, sir. That's E.
E. Europe.
ये पर्सन डेवलपमेंट क्लासेस ये चले तुम लोग अंग्रेजी भूल गए हो. ऑरेंज हुआ
Everyday.
ई से खत्म. वो ऑक्टोपस बोल रहे हैं सर. पंकज सर. ऑरेंज.
Everyday.
ORANGE. ऑक्टोपस. ओसो.
Every
No,
day.
no.
Every day.
Next. It started.
Yummy.
Yellow.
Wide.
Egg.
Goa.
Georgia.
गोरिल्ला.
Ma'am.
गोरिल्ला.
Not
Ma'am, every word's last letter is A.
not gorilla. It's gorilla, not gorilla. Who said gorilla? Ma'am? Pragya ma'am.
प्रज्ञा मैम.
मैम हमारे यहाँ तो ऐसे बोलते हैं.
Gorilla.
हाँ मैम.
यहाँ पे थोड़ी ना उड़िया बोल रहा है यार.
अरे बाकी के चुप बैठना है. कनिष्क सर.
Advocate.
Kanish sir,
Yes, ma'am.
say your word.
Ma'am, the last word I wasn't able to, get it. Tamil.
Sir, it's
speaking was-
E. Sir, it's E. The letter is E.
Okay, E, Europe.
It's done.
It's already done, sir. Europe.
Okay, from E.
इससे
Alana.
May I?
Alana.
व्हाट?
It's Elana. ELANA.
Angry.
Yam.
Mango.
Melbourne. Melbourne.
Efficient.
Tablet.
Train.
Toy.
Netherlands.
Yacht.
यार सुनाई नहीं दे रहा मुझे.
Yacht.
Haunting.
Oh.
Guitar.
Road.
Darjeeling.
Destiny.
Okay.
Okay, so guys, hold on. This will take a lot of time. So everyone will say one by one 10 countries name one by one. Start with alphabet letter. Diksha ma'am, start with you. 10 country names and then forward everyone. Okay, come on.
Okay, ma'am. So India, Japan, Nepal, Bangladesh. India, Japan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Pakistan, Bhutan, Myanmar, then China, Europe, and England.
Okay, next.
Ma'am,
Jyoti
I'll
ma'am.
say, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, who will say, ma'am?
Jyoti ma'am will say we are moving in alphabetic letter, ma'am. Sir. Jyoti ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
10 country names.
वो तो बोल दिया. क्या बोलूं?
अरे
Ma'am,
वाह.
Can I?
नहीं, no. line wise, alphabetic wise. ज्योति मैम क्या पूरे विश्व में 10 ही कंट्रीज हैं जो दीक्षा ने बोला वही है, बाकी क्या सब मर गई हैं?
नहीं मैम.
जिंदा है ना वो अभी, तो बस उन्हीं का नाम लो.
इंग्लैंड, अमेरिका.
इट्स अमेरिका.
हाँ.
बोलो.
हाँ. इट्स अमेरिका.
इट्स
अमेरिका.
नहीं, अमेरिका नहीं है, अमेरिका.
अमेरिका.
इंग्लैंड.
इंग्लैंड. ओके. स्पेन.
गुड.
पाकिस्तान.
इट्स पाकिस्तान. पाकिस्तान नहीं है, पाकिस्तान.
पाकिस्तान.
It's Kazakhstan. मैम ये कजाकिस्तान होता है.
नहीं, PAKISTAN.
पाकिस्तान भी होता है.
पाकिस्तान है ना एक है. इंडिया
हाँ,
से
और
अलग हो
बताइए.
गया है.
अरे मैम हिस्ट्री नहीं पूछी मैंने, और कुछ
उज्बेकिस्तान.
बताइए. हाँ, गुड.
कितना हुआ?
अभी कुछ नहीं हुआ है, 4 ही हुआ है अभी.
कनाडा.
कन्नाडा नहीं है वो, कनाडा है, कनाडा. बोलो.
कनाडा.
कन्नड़ा तो लैंग्वेज होती है. कन्नड़ लैंग्वेज. वो कनाडा है, कनाडा. CANNADA, कनाडा.
कनाडा. जापान.
इट्स जापान.
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 जापान. जापान.
जापान नहीं होता, जापान ना. जापान.
जापान.
हाँ, गुड. Bangladesh.
France.
Bangladesh. France. It's France.
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 Uh,
France.
China.
China.
और
Germany.
मेक्सिको.
Mexico
मैम ये
नहीं
तो
होता।
सारे बोल रही है, मैं क्या बोलूंगी?
हाँ,
Mexico.
डेनमार्क.
Denmark. It's not Denmark. It's Denmark.
Ma'am,
डेनमार्क.
Denmark is a city. Denmark is a city in America. It's not a country.
Denmark's not a country.
Oh, sorry, it's not. It's a state. Sorry. Yeah, it's not
It's a
a country.
state.
No, ma'am. It is a
In
country in
America.
Europe. It's a
नो
country
मैम,
in
इट्स ए
Europe.
कंट्री.
It's a country.
अरे रुको ठीक है, बोलने दो हाँ।
Like in US also we have a place called Denmark, right?
इंडोनेशिया.
Indonesia. Indonesia.
इंडोनेशिया.
Indonesia.
ग्रीस.
Greece.
हो
मैम
गया
हो गया
मैम 10.
इसका 10।
हो गया.
हाँ हो गया।
तुम
प्रज्ञा
बोल लो.
Pragyan ma'am, now it's your turn. Very good, Jyoti ma'am. You had nice attempt. Pragya ma'am,
थैंक यू मैम.
any 10 festivals?
यस मैम।
India festivals, any 10.
फेस्टिवल्स, मैम मेरी क्रिसमस,
Merry Christmas ma'am.
मेरी क्रिसमस, होली,
Hmm.
अब तो चल रही है, रोजो बोलो तो.
मैम हमारे यहाँ होते हैं ना रोजो,
Hmm.
दिवाली,
Hmm.
वो क्या होती है गुड़ी पाड़वा या कुछ भी,
Hmm.
क्या बोलते हैं मुझे नहीं पता थोड़ा।
Pongal.
Gudi Padwa, right?
पोंगल, हाँ पोंगल होती है।
Hmm.
और
क्या यार, कुमार पूर्णिमा, प्रथमाष्टमी इतना इजी है.
अरे सिर्फ उड़ीसा की बोलनी है क्या?
नहीं, अपनी पूरी इंडिया की।
हाँ मैम, इसलिए तो मैं थोड़ा सोच रही हूँ।
अरे इंडिया की सारी फेस्टिवल्स क्या क्या
और
होते हैं? ईद, दिवाली,
Dashera,
वो जो
क्रिसमस।
होती है
Diwali.
ना मैम, वो हाँ
चलिए
दिवाली
प्रज्ञा
तो
मैम,
बोल दी मैंने।
ठीक है, ओके, माइक ऑफ करिए मैम।
ओके तो
पद्मजा मैम,
Yes, ma'am.
10 cities of France.
Oh, I have no idea what.
Okay, just do one thing. Google on the and
Yes,
speak
yes.
speak it in a
Yes,
very
yes,
good
yes.
language, like Japan, Chennai,
Yes.
not like that.
Yes.
Make the
Yes.
pronunciation clearly. I want the pronunciation mean.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, just a second, ma'am.
Hmm.
Cities of France. Yes, ma'am. I got list. Ma'am, how many? 10.
10.
Yeah. Paris,
Uh,
Avignon,
uh,
Camembert,
hmm,
Cannes,
hmm,
Charters,
hmm,
Clichy,
hmm,
Colmar,
hmm,
Grenoble,
hmm.
Lyon,
It's
Mont,
yarn.
Lyon,
Hmm.
and Montpellier.
Hmm.
It's called Nice. I don't know it's Nice or Nicey or pronunciation, but it's given as Nice.
Okay, do one thing.
Nice.
Share screen
Nice.
जरा. Share करो screen जरा.
Yes, ma'am.
जल्दी करो, मैं बताती हूँ इसका.
Yes, ma'am. These are the cities, names of the cities of France.
Okay, so the first city is Paris.
Paris, yes. Second one is Avignon.
Wait a sec. It's Avignon.
Avignon. Okay, and third one, I don't know how to
Bordeaux.
pronounce. It's
Bordeaux.
France. Name.
Bordeaux. It's Bordeaux.
Oh, third one is no. There's a word here.
Camembert.
No. I don't know how to pronounce that. It's a France name.
Aix-les-Bains. Aix-les-Bains.
Baines or Benz?
It's excellent.
Bain.
Sorry.
Aix-les-Bains or Benz?
Yeah, Aix-les-Bains. B-A-I-N.
Bains. Yes.
Camembert.
Bordeaux.
Camembert. Camembert.
Yes, Camembert. Canes. That's Canes.
Chamonix.
And it's Chamonix, Mont Blanc,
Blancs.
Blancs or Blanc.
Clermont-Ferrand. Clichy. Colomber. Okay, just close it. Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
Ronak sir. Ronak sir. Is my voice audible? Ronak sir.
You're audible, ma'am.
Ronak sir.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what's going on? I don't have any idea.
No, like today is your first class after 1 month.
Yes, I think so, ma'am.
So,
Ma'am, is any possibility we can have a bed soup or like that?
okay. Okay. So guys, let me tell you your tomorrow's homework. That is that 5 words, their meaning and their sentences I want in the group till 10 p.m. at any cost, hook by crook. I don't know. And tomorrow you will have your test of resume making, which will be basically 1 by 1. The slots will be told to you at around 2 p.m. Okay? And the ones who will not join tomorrow, if I'll terminate you, then don't ask me the reason, ma'am. I was active during the classes, why I left, why I am like removed. Because tomorrow I'll not hear any excuses, nor I'll grant any leave to anyone. Sorry for that. Because definitely it will lead to my disrespect to my own decision that I don't want. So I will not cancel it, nor I will excuse you, and I will postpone it at any cost. So don't just think of it also. So prepare yourself for the resume, prepare with MS Word application, because tomorrow we will have the live test with all you 15 people. 15 means 15. If I found one also missing from the meeting, day after tomorrow, don't join my class for sure. Don't join my class for sure. Or else if you join it, then definitely I will remove you from the meeting by myself. So it's better है prepare करके आना, पढ़ लेना उसके बारे में, YouTube पे सर्च करना how to make a good resume, because if you will learn today, you can earn a lot of money tomorrow. So if it's better for your career, do it. And I hope you have enjoyed today's session, which was around full 1 minute 45 seconds, 1 hour 45 seconds session. And like this only I'll take the 5 day sessions, so that it don't turn out to be a boredom and monotonous one. Okay. So yes, Siddhi ma'am, please stop the recording, ma'am.
Ma'am,